Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will be studying about the inaudible and audible sounds in chapter 13, that is sound. So basically we will be studying about the infrasonics and the ultrasound waves. So moving ahead, what is infrasonic or infrasonic sounds? The sound having too low frequencies which cannot be heard by human ear are called infrasonic sounds. Basically ये वो साउंड वेव्स होती हैं जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसीज बहुत लो होती हैं एंड दे कैन नॉट बी हर्ड बाय अ ह्यूमन ईयर. दे आर कॉल्ड इंफ्रासोनिक साउंड्स. ओके, मतलब ये जो ह्यूमन ईयर्स की ऑडिबल रेंज होती है, दे डू नॉट फॉल इनटू दैट कैटेगरी. दैट्स व्हाई दे can't be heard by humans. That's why they are known as infrasonic sounds. And these sounds of frequency less than 20 hertz are infrasonic sound range. मतलब जो इनकी जो साउंड रेंज होती है, it is accurately less than 20 hertz. Okay, so the infrasonic sounds cannot be heard by human beings because the range of human hearing is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. क्योंकि जो ह्यूमन हेयरिंग की रेंज है कितनी है, वो 20 हर्ट्ज से 20,000 हर्ट्ज तक है. ओके, अब इंफ्रासोनिक साउंड्स कौन से एनिमल्स सुन पाते हैं? Here is an example given for that. So rhinoceros can produce and they can hear the infrasonic sound waves because they are able to produce and they are able to hear the sound which are having frequencies less than 20 hertz. Okay students, so this was all about infrasonic sound and I hope this is clear to you. Now moving ahead to the ultrasound waves. Now you have studied about infrasounds, which states that the infrasounds are the sounds which are having frequencies too low or below 20 hertz. Now the sounds having too high frequency which is greater than 20,000 hertz and which cannot be heard by human beings is called ultrasound. वो साउंड्स जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है और कितनी ज़्यादा है, दैट इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 20,000 हर्ट्ज विच कैन नॉट बी हर्ड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग्स इज़ कॉल्ड अल्ट्रासाउंड. ठीक है, आपने इंफ्रासोनिक में पढ़ा था कि जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज थी साउंड वेव्स की वो 20 हर्ट्ज से कम थी और यहाँ पे द डिफरेंस इज़ कि जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज है साउंड वेव्स की वो 20,000 हर्ट्ज से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए इट इज़ नॉट ऑडिबल फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स टू हेयर इट. That's why these sound waves are called ultrasound waves. And the human beings can neither produce ultrasonic sound nor they can hear ultrasonic sound. Human beings ना ही produce करते हैं ये sound और ना ही वो सुन सकते हैं because the sound range is too high. For example, sound of frequency 100,000 hertz is in ultrasound. Okay, the frequencies which is greater than 20,000 hertz is ultrasound waves frequencies. Now due to its very high frequency, ultrasound has a greater penetrating power than ordinary sound. जो इसकी जो frequency range होती है, it is so high that it has a greater penetrating power than any other sound. Now, ultrasound is reflected just like ordinary sound waves and produces echoes. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि जो normal sound waves होती हैं they also reflect and produce echoes. उसी तरीके से जो ultrasound waves होती हैं वो भी यही करती हैं. So it is ultrasound. Now we'll study about the uses of ultrasound, but before that let's see that what are the uses of ultrasound. So students, ultrasound is basically used as a diagnostic tool in medical science to investigate inside the human body. बेसिकली जो अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव्स होती हैं ये मेडिकल साइंस में यूज़ होती हैं एक डायग्नोस्टिक टूल के ज़रिए से, ताकि हम ह्यूमन बॉडी में वी कैन ईजिली इन्वेस्टिगेट दैट व्हाट इज़ इनसाइड द ह्यूमन बॉडी. लाइक आपने देखी होंगी कि काफ़ी ऑपरेशंस में, सर्जरीज में these waves are being used to detect where the disease is. Now the second use is it is used to study the growth of fetus, that is the developing baby inside the mother womb. आपने देखा होगा कि जो fetus की growth होती है उसको पता लगाने के लिए भी the ultrasound is being done and the ultrasound waves are used there. Now students, it is used in the treatment of muscular pain and a disease called arthritis, which is inflammation of joints. Ultrasound waves कहाँ यूज़ होती हैं? जो it is used for the treatment of muscular pain और एक disease जिसका नाम है arthritis. और जो arthritis it's a disease which is used, जो arthritis है, sorry students, it is a disease which is related to joints inflammation. Okay, now the next point is it is used to measure the depth of sea or ocean. जो हमारे समुद्र की, रिवर्स की गहराई नापने के लिए भी हम अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो बेसिकली यू आर सीइंग दैट हाउ मच यूजफुल इज अल्ट्रासाउंड वेव्स. It is also used to locate underwater objects like shipwrecks, submarines and shoals of fish. Okay, and these waves also helps us in locating the water objects like the shipwrecks, submarines and the shoals of fish which have been found in the water. Now let's see that how is the ultrasonic waves looks like, or what is the frequency range. Now you will see that the infrasound, it is below 20 hertz and the human hearing range is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and the ultrasonic rays, it is greater than 20 hertz, which is equals to 1 megahertz. Okay, and the ultrasonic waves which are used in diagnostic is the last one, that is the fourth one. Okay, I hope you must be familiar with these waves now. Okay, now students, please note that there are some animals which can produce ultrasonic sounds as well as hear ultrasonic sounds. So students, please note that there are some animals, कुछ ऐसे animals भी हैं those can produce ultrasonic sound as well as they can hear ultrasonic sounds also. And one of the best example for this is example of a bat. And a bat is an animal which screams at a very high frequency. जो bat है, it's an animal, आपने देखा होगा शायद, ये जो है ये इतनी high frequency पे scream करता है that is beyond the limit of our hearing. मतलब it is really difficult for us to hear that sound. Okay, so bats produces ultrasonic sound during screaming, and we cannot hear that screams of bat because its screams consist of ultrasonic sound having a frequency of more than 20,000 hertz. अब वो इतनी ज़ोर से स्क्रीम करता है कि उसकी जो स्क्रीमिंग की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है इट इज़ मोर देन 20,000 hertz. And students, as I have taught you that the frequency range which is greater than 20,000 hertz is being categorized as ultrasonic waves. Okay, so now bats can produce ultrasonic sounds as well as they can hear ultrasonic sounds also. Okay students, now the next thing is that other animals like dogs, monkeys, deer and leopards can also hear ultrasonic sounds. As I've given you example of bats, similarly there are other animals like dogs, monkey, deer and leopards which can also hear the ultrasonic sounds. So students, this was all about infrasonic sounds and ultrasonic sounds. I hope this is clear to you all, and in case you have any doubt you can ask me. But before ending with this presentation, I wanted to explain you once again the ultrasonic sound waves. So students, don't get confused between ultrasonic and infrasonic waves, because infrasonics are the waves which have low frequency, that is below 20 hertz, and ultrasonic waves are the waves which have frequency greater than 20,000 hertz. Okay, so just be clear with that and complete your notes. With this we come to the end of our chapter, and thank you so much students for your patient listening. Thank you and have a nice day.